friends! If you have curly hair and struggle blending your curly hair extensions, keep watching. I have very thick curls that tend to do what they want, and I always struggle when it comes to blending my hair extensions. Today I want to try out the curly hair extensions from Perfect Locks. I personally have chemically dyed hair, so I decided to go with two colors, golden brown and honey blonde. These curls are much tighter than my own, so I simply take my finger through each strand to stretch them out. I definitely recommend washing and styling your extensions prior to wearing them. Grab your scrunchie or your clip because it's time to get started. First, let's start by separating our hair in half. I personally think it's best and easiest to work in sections. This is where our first extension is going to come in. Let's snap that into place and grab our next section. This next section we're going to have 3 braids. Sometimes I like to braid sections of my hair so it can blend better. Once I'm done braiding, I'm going to grab the opposite color extension that I just used. I like to alternate which ones I use for blending purposes. At this point, I'll continue to add extensions until I've reached my desired volume. You might notice the various size of clip-ins. For example, when I have small areas like this that I need to cover up, I enjoy using the 2-clip extension. And just like that, we're almost finished. If you're still struggling with blending, you can also cut your curly hair extensions to give a layered effect. And just like that, I have the afro of my dreams. It's giving big, it's giving bold, it's giving volume, it's giving baddie. And if you want, you can switch it up and do other fun hairstyles too. Definitely check out Perfect Locks for all your hair extension needs. Hope this helped. Bye!